This task to introduce our guest of honor is a great privilege. I know this one is difficult, but without second thought, I am proud to let this character be invited to the platform as he can surely inspire the graduating class tonight. We are so lucky that he chose to be with us despite of the distance and hectic schedule because of his work. In 1982, there was born the cherished happiness of the family. April 26 to be exact. The best sunshine and the ever-loving son of Lorenzo Mildiz Sr. and Delfina D. Galoy first smiled and met the world. Like the unstoppable waves in the sea, this person continued his journey as he graduated his primary education in Kadakal Elementary School in the year of 2008. The mother also of a wonderful time, he took his secondary education at Gamay National High School. He is one of the pride of GMHS Batch 2012. Like other little dreamers who started from a simple but well-oriented Kamaynon family, he pursued his tertiary education in Colegio de las Llagas and graduated in the year 2020. As he continued his journey, our guest speaker has recently achieved a significant milestone by passing the licensure examination for teachers in March 19, 2023. This accomplishment is a testament of his dedication, perseverance, and passion for education. Having excelled in his studies and professional preparations, he embodies the qualities of an exceptional educator, someone who is not only knowledgeable but also deeply committed to nurturing the minds of future generations. His journey serves as example of hard work and determination, reminding us all of the power of resilience and the importance of lifelong learning. And now, my friends, parents, visitors, especially the graduating class, ladies and gentlemen, I feel very proud to present to you the pride of our school. Please help me welcome Mr. Lorenzo Galoy Mendes Jr.